What's the meaning of absorbency? Absorbency. 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 Absorbency is the ability of a material to absorb liquid or other substances. It is measured by the amount of liquid that can be absorbed by a unit of material in a given time. Absorbency is important for many applications, such as in the production of diapers, towels, and other absorbent materials. There are many factors that affect absorbency, including the type of material, the surface area of the material, and the thickness of the material. Materials that are porous, such as cotton and wool, are generally more absorbent than materials that are non-porous, such as plastic. The surface area of the material also affects absorbency. A material with a larger surface area will be able to absorb more liquid than a material with a smaller surface area. The thickness of the material also affects absorbency. A thicker material will be able to absorb more liquid than a thinner material. Absorbency is an important property for many materials. It is important to consider the absorbency of a material when choosing a material for a particular application.